All right, what's up guys? It's me, Packy, and here I am with channel favorite Madison, my girlfriend. The rules of this 1v1, as you can see in the title, are you have to go Brooklyn. The only additional rule to that is if you don't go Brooklyn and you get a pocket strike, it counts as 5 spare for the frame, which would end you up with like a 155. So 1v1, Brooklyn only. Let's get to bowling. Oh yeah, also like and subscribe down below so you can get updates for more fun videos like this one. Oh my God, get 0.
I also hit the left side of it too.
This isn't even fair. Like, we were warming up on both lanes and now I have to bowl on your lane. Clear advantage.
I only warmed up on the right lane.
A clear advantage to you.
That was an okay
Oh my
shot.
God, I don't have a spare ball. Doesn't matter, this thing's gonna make it, hopefully. I don't know. I'm not sweating, you're sweating. Okay.
Woo!
What do you mean? Woo!
It's a little slippery.
It's slippery? Mm-hmm. There's no way that this doesn't strike. Got him. Oh.
Woo.
Nothing more satisfying than getting a Brooklyn strike. J.R. Raymond. Oh. I just, like, it's different. Like, I feel like I come off the approach like happy-go-lucky and you just come off aggressive and like ready to kill me.
Well, don't hate the player, hate the game.
The only thing you're gonna hate is this strike right here. Double up early lead. Oh, that's so Brooklyn. God. Too much Brooklyn. Too much Brooklyn. Ball change for the spare. It's one of my least favorite spares of all time.
Is it?
Yeah. Because it means your first shot was horrible. Not on like a house shot, it's not my least favorite spare, but like, you usually don't leave those on house shots, you know? Because they're just easy.
Yeah, that is true.
So fans, I'm gonna ask you to comment down below right now, what is your least favorite spare to shoot at? Like if you had to win, strike to win, so what do you think it is?
3, 6, 9, 10.
Or spare to win, it doesn't matter, so you're sitting on a strike in the 9th, count doesn't matter. What do you not want to shoot at in the 10th if you leave a spare? 3, 6, 9, 10?
I'm not saying I had to do it once or twice, but I had to do it once or twice.
I don't know if mine is a 2, 4, 7, 8, or if it's a 2, 4, 7, or if it's a 5-pin by itself. Because that's just embarrassing if you miss. Lane.
Pins are against me.
Do you know the degree a pin needs to lean for it to fall over?
No, educate me.
It's 9 degrees. I learned that the other day and I don't know where. But I know that it's 9 degrees.
9 degrees.
Learn something new every day.
Yeah.
Pin's got to lean 9 degrees for it to actually tip. Oh my God.
What do you mean, oh my God?
Ball you throwing, Packy?
I'm throwing a Columbia 300 Power Torque. I was gonna throw my Damn Good Verge Pearl, but on some shots, my Damn Good Verge Pearl just accidentally hit the pocket. So this one's strong enough where no matter if I miss a little right or left, it's still gonna go Brooklyn. Still gonna go Brooklyn. A brand new piece from the Columbia 300 line. I needed that 9 degrees.
I was about to say
Needed that 9
degrees of lean.
It was about 7. Hers was like 8. It was like wobbling a little. Bing, bing.
I'm throwing the RST X2. I only brought 2 balls, my spare ball and this ball. But it's striking or leaving me makeables, I guess, so
Have you ever gone Brooklyn to win?
yes.
That's what the cool kids do.
Who hasn't?
I did it at the Masters. Against J.R. Raymond. Oh. So
Shoot.
about those makeables. Oh.
Not a makeable.
Not a makeable.
Makeable.
I feel bad because now like you're out of wood because I'm striking out.
I guess we'll see.
Oh, that's so good. Oh my God, that's not makeable. That's missable. This might be the one that I'd not want to shoot at. On a house shot, again, it's like fine because you can hook at it, but on everything else, no thanks. Oh! Oh my God! Door open, door closed, door open. I can't close. Can't close. She gave me the perfect opportunity, and now I'm
And
right
you screwed
back.
up.
Why? Because you left an open frame.
Thank you for giving it back to me.
Yeah, that's what I do. That's what I do. I just give gifts.
You're up, Buster.
Just mentally preparing myself for another loss on the channel, and I'll be like 4 for 100. I just feel like this is the move. High flush, what can I say? Perfection. It's basically my game. Perfection. I didn't say my spare game, guys. Stop, stop. Oh, yeah. Oh! What is that?
Skills.
God!
That was skills.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. It's how you compete. You just throw it. You just throw it perfect. And if it happens for you, it happens for you. Brooklyn, regular. It is what it is. You just got to get all 10 down. We're 7 frames in. How do you feel? Close game. The scores are slightly higher than I thought they'd be.
I'm feeling pretty good. I guess we'll see
Down
if
2.
it changes in 8. It can only get better. What am I
It
saying?
can only get better. You
Can
have
only
a
get
double.
better.
What do you mean? Ooh. 8 degrees.
Kidding me.
That's 8 degrees right there. Let me know if you guys want a shirt that says 8 degrees with a pin leaning. Idea just popped into my head. So if you guys want that, I'll come out with one. 9 degrees to lean over. That was probably like 7.5 or 8. 8.5. That thing was.
That was more than my last one.
Can we get a slow-mo replay? Hook.
Hey, Will.
Damn. People talk about bad racks and good racks all the time. Is there a bad rack when you go Brooklyn? Like this rack is off, but I don't know if it helps me or hurts me.
Well, I hope it hurts.
5'7", come on.
Oh
It
boy,
doesn't
oh
help
boy.
me when I throw it like that. Damn it! Just like that. This is makeable though. This is makeable. This is makeable. Pays off to not bring a spare ball with you. Get a little extra hook. Up 1. Just saying. It's a close game.
Yeah. I
close
should be
game.
leading right now.
You should be leading, and why is that?
That pin should have fell for me.
That pin should have fallen.
It was like 8.9. Had to
8.9.
be. Had to be.
Okay. We got some work to do on the spare. I'm not gonna lie, I might have seen that 9 degrees in my dream and this could all be a lie, but we're just gonna roll with it at this point. I don't even know where I saw it.
Oh, God.
Oh God. Dead
Oh,
on.
God.
Perfect. Just trying to give me some hope that you missed it when you say, oh God. Thank you.
Yeah.
Just put myself in prime position to, I can double in the tent to seal it. Madison can open it up for me here. I just know she's gonna need at least a double. Put the pressure on me. That's pretty good. Oh! Ooh, 10 degrees. I mean, there's definitely still a chance. It's a good shot.
Thanks.
As the great Randy Peterson would say, strike to claim it. It's the biggest shot of my YouTube career. Oh, that's terrible. That was such a good shot. This is like one of those don't ever want to leave it spares. Oh, that's 1. Well, that's what happens. That's what happens when you just don't know what you're doing. Okay. Great match. Just like, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Who else has ever felt that way? You know, you need to bring your spare ball. This is a lesson for all you two-handers out there. If you don't bring your spare ball, you lose every single time. And I'll see you guys next week without my spare ball in the same jersey. Losing again.